Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. I'm in the greenhouse. I am going to look at my starts and then I'm going to cover them up. It's gotten cold outside, so let's take a look. Let's turn you around. It's pouring down raining now, but let's show you what we have. This is the watermelon radishes. They have come up really good. They're late, a little bit, but that's fine. And then here we have the golden beets, and then we have the Detroit red beets. They look like there's something wrong because these look like the yellow ones. These look like the red ones because those are red, but I don't know. I think I have them labeled wrong. You see the green red, and that thing is yellow. So listen, and I'm going to show you what we have here. We have the tomatillos. The purple ones are not in yet. We have the Brandywine. The Cherokee purple is not in. We got the hillbilly. Oh, we got a German Johnson, just one of them. We got two of the Dr. White cheese back there. No Paul Robertson. Two Roma. Only one San Marzino. He's there. No black strawberry. Oh, we got that. Both of those came up, that peach. Right, I don't know how to pronounce that. And then as far as the peppers, as you can see, that one is coming up there. Do we have any more? Oh, we have one, the eggplants coming up. But that's pretty much it. So I hope that the rest of these pop up. And the peppers. That one was just planted, so it's not going to come up yet. Peppers take at least 2 or 3 weeks to pop up, but these have been in here a bit longer, so yeah, they're popping up late. So I'm going to cover them back up. Alright, I am going to, I can't find but one of my tops. I don't even know where the other one is, so what I'm going to do is put these two in here with the tomatoes. Put this top over there because it is 30 degrees out. I'm gonna leave a little opening so they can breathe. That way they won't die because it is cold out here. I'm gonna move this down here. Move this over here. This has peppers on it too, but these are actually cold frames, so these are the beets, all beets and radishes. So this is actually the radishes. I thought that was the beets, but all of these are radishes. They're getting leggy because they're in this greenhouse, but this one doesn't have a color, but I don't know what the color is. So I'm going to put all of these domes if I can and smush it down in there. And I'll close it. And maybe that'll help it along. But some areas still get in it under the bottom. It's not as tight as this one. But I don't know where my tops are. I only saw that one. I didn't see any others, so I don't know where they are. I looked in the house, didn't see them in there. So, for right now, this is going to have to do to protect these while it's cold for the next few days. I'll turn that way so not fall off. Yeah, this is what we're gonna have. So we got a little more on because none of those have come up. And then I'm going to give them some water. That looks fine. But this one needs water. I might give that one a little bit. It's raining, and it's supposed to rain for the next 4 or 5 days. So let me just put a little water in this one too, just to be safe. Take that out, and then just pour a little water in the bottom of the tray, the bottom feed it. Hope it don't freeze. Oh, it's cold out here, y'all. It is cold. I got a coat on. It says if I know that's what I'm doing first. It says the feel like temperature is 27, 28. It was 75, 76 degrees last week. It didn't get above 30. Yesterday, well, it got above 30. It didn't get out the 30s, I think. No, I might have got to 40. I think it got to 44 yesterday. It's cold. And I'm not here for it. But this is what we're going to do for now. And this is going to be a little short video. It's only 4 or 5 minutes. But it's all I got time to do. It's tax season. I don't have time to make videos. So once I find, I have the other tray, which is here for that on the other side of this greenhouse. So I do have the tray. I just don't know what I did with the top. So I got to look, search high and low for it, find it. But that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm so glad that my peppers are starting to come up. I was beginning to get weary because I refused to put this stuff in the house. And then the tomatoes and stuff that's getting leggy, that's fine. Tomatoes can be leggy. You can plant them deeper because I'm going to put them in these. I'm going to pot them to something else first, but then I'm going to put them in these and plant them deep so that I can have great, by the time I put them out, I have great roots on them from that. And then these, I said I was leaving, but I'm still running my mouth. And these, all of these I'm going to transplant because these are cold hardy radishes as well as beets. I'm happy I got beets. And I got the yellow ones too. So I'm going to try to make sure I don't kill these so that I can plant them out. Oh, I did plant some out there. It's raining, so we're going to go see if they came up. But they probably came up too. Let's see. Well, do I have an umbrella out here? I got an umbrella out here. I'm going to let y'all see. Hold on. Take you down. We do have beets. See those little red dots? So we do have red ones up. And we have some yellow ones coming up as well. So there. So we have these. It's cold. I gotta go. And then, because we got 75, that thing going to seed. Ridiculous. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. It is cold and I gotta go in the house. See, my nose is turning red. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. If you have any questions, put them down below. Yep, bye.